Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Pandas is a powerful data manipulation library in Python that provides data structures for efficiently storing and manipulating large data sets. One of the fundamental data structures provided by Pandas is the series. A series is a one-dimensional labeled array capable of holding any data type. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create a series in Python using Pandas. Before you begin, make sure you have Python and Pandas installed. You can install Pandas using the following command. Let's dive into creating a series in Python using Pandas. We'll cover various methods to create a series, such as using lists, NumPy arrays, and dictionaries. You can create a Pandas series from a Python list using the pd.Series constructor. Here's an example. Pandas series can also be created from a NumPy array. This is particularly useful if you are working with numerical data. You can create a series from a Python dictionary where keys become the index labels and values become the data points. By default, Pandas assigns integer indices to the series. You can specify custom index labels using the index parameter. Creating a Pandas series is a straightforward process, and it provides a convenient way to work with one-dimensional labeled data in Python. Whether you have data in a list, NumPy array, or dictionary, Pandas makes it easy to convert them into a series for further analysis and manipulation. Experiment with different data types and explore the rich functionality that Pandas offers for working with series data. ChatGPT.